And again, welcome to Biology with Mr. Reese. One of the first things I always like to do to start off each week is to give you a little joke. I like to have fun while I'm teaching. Hopefully you'll like to have fun while you are in here. So let's start with our first joke. So, why was the scuba diver upset about his biology grade? Yes, you got it. Because he was below sea level. Yeah, you'll get used to me as the year goes on. Okay, so let's move on to our next part, and that is going over the classroom syllabus.